Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank the Administrative Control and Transparency Authority of Qatar and its head, His Excellency Hamad bin Nasser Al Misnet, for the warm welcome and excellent organization of the event. An effective anti-corruption policy is one of the key priorities in our country. In this view, the head of state takes a strong position and emphasizes the importance of an uncompromising fight against corruption. We are committed to international standards. Today, Kazakhstan has a solid institutional framework.